I'm not real. And my videos get paid.
These influencers do not exist. No camera, no model, no filming. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money with AI in 2026. AI influencers are becoming a real category, and most people still don't know how to simply use it. Higgsfield just launched 2 products, AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn. Higgsfield is built for creators, not engineers. You're not generating random avatars, you're building a consistent digital identity. First step is creating your AI influencer. First, out of all the options, I chose human, and then I chose the female character. Then I chose African ethnicity, skin color, eye color. I chose an adult character. You have whole lots of options to choose from here. I wanted my character to have human ears, so I gave them those. Simple human skin. And generate, and this is what the character looks like, and I'm going to animate it using View 3.
The moments we pause to truly feel are the ones that speak the loudest. Sometimes the smallest changes bring the deepest understanding. It's in those moments of quiet that I find who I really am. I wonder if I'm really growing or just changing for the sake of change. But I guess that uncertainty is part of finding who I truly am.
Higgsfield Motion Engine produces control, expressive moments that actually feel very natural. You can generate up to 30 seconds of HD videos ready to post. Now we're going to explore motion control. You need to add your character here. It's the same character that you have seen earlier. And this is the motion that I want my character to copy. I'm going to use it from the preset. Before we generate, let's check all the options. We're going to choose the background of the video. Now let's generate. This is the character.
With the eye. Okay, you want me to call your mother? No! It works every time. They're scared to death of her.
Call me for what?
Oh, Eva, my love.
Hey, just wanted to share a little moment from today. Sometimes it's those small thoughts that make the day feel meaningful. Thanks for checking in with me. Hope you feel a bit more calm now.
Earn is one of the most amazing features of Higgsfield. Higgsfield Earn pays creators directly. Upload your AI influencer video to YouTube, Instagram, paste the link here, and you can earn based on your performance and your views. In your video, do not forget to tag Higgsfield AI Influencer. You guys can also check out their plans. They have up to 85% off going on. There's Ultimate Monthly, there's Creator 2-year program with 1,206,000 credits. One is for $49 and the other one is for $37. Isn't that amazing, guys? Just check it out. Check out this plan as well. Check out this Basic, Pro, Ultimate, and Creator plan. You can have 40% off annual.